Hello everyone, today I will show you how to blank out or white out a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. I will remove all the objects from this PDF file, only remain blank pages. Okay. First on, click on this edit option. Add this edit text and click on this text box text and press Ctrl A, select delete and this is edit object, select all and click on this image and press delete key from your keyboard. This way you can delete all of your text and images from your PDF file. And another way, click on this protect option and this is white out option. Click on this white out and simply drag your mouse cursor and select OK and see this. All of this object, text and image now remove, and this way also select and select OK and see this. In this way you can remove, this way you can white out your PDF file and remove all of the text, object, shape and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.